Welcome to our comparison of two leading DDR5 RAM kits, the Corsair Vengeance RGB and the G.SKILL Flare X5. In this video, we will explore their specifications, features, and user experiences to help you decide which one is right for you. Let's dive in. The Corsair Vengeance RGB operates at a speed of 6,400 MHz with timings of CL364848104, making it one of the fastest options available. In contrast, the G.SKILL Flare X5 runs at 6000 mt/s, but boasts tighter timings of CL30383896, which can enhance performance in certain scenarios. This difference in speed and timings can significantly impact overall system performance, especially in gaming and intensive applications. The Corsair Vengeance RGB is not just about performance. It also features vibrant RGB lighting that can be customized to match your build's aesthetics. On the other hand, the G.SKILL Flare X5 offers a sleek, low-profile design without RGB, appealing to users who prefer a more understated look. Both designs have their merits, depending on your personal preference for aesthetics. Both RAM kits have received high ratings, with the Corsair Vengeance RGB achieving a 4.7 out of 5 from 639 reviews, praised for its performance and aesthetics. The G.SKILL Flare X5 also holds a 4.7 rating, but from a larger pool of 1058 reviews, highlighting its reliability and performance in AMD systems. User feedback suggests that both products are solid choices, but the decision may come down to specific needs and preferences. In conclusion, both the Corsair Vengeance RGB and G.SKILL Flare X5 DDR5 RAM kits offer excellent performance and features. Your choice should depend on whether you prefer faster speeds and RGB lighting or a clean, low-profile design optimized for AMD systems. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.